Morning student, today's chapter, that is chapter number 3, fiber and fabric. Already we have discussed the introduction part of this chapter. Now we will study from fiber to wool. Already I have discussed from animals we often wool, like certain such as various sheep. I have discussed various variety of breed of sheep that is known as Kashmiri wool. We can often Kashmiri wool or Angora goat, we can say, and from yak also you get wool, and also alpaca, llama, and many other like rabbit. So various animals are there from where we often this wool. This wool are often and also these are knitted and woven into a fabric. So already I have discussed what is yarn. Already you have learned in 6th class what is yarn, what is fiber, and what is fabric also. Already you have learned in lower classes, 6th class. Got it now? So you have clear idea regarding these terms or these words. So these wools are actually they often from certain animals, that is sheep. They often from sheep. They often from sheep. Variety of sheep found in our country as well. So today we will learn regarding wool. So as you all know, if you go to the hilly region of Jammu and Kashmir, like if you go to the Jammu and Kashmir and Himachal Pradesh, HP, Arunachal Pradesh, and you will go to Sikkim, and if you go to Uttaranchal, if you go these parts, and also plain region of like Rajasthan, like Gujarat, Haryana, and also Punjab. If you go to this region, you will find a group of sheep. The shepherds will take the group of herds of sheep into plain areas for grazing. They take a group of, or we can say flock of sheep, or we can say herd of sheep for grazing grass. So this most probably these states where abundant of sheep are found, where the rare sheep, rearing and breeding of sheep take place, rearing and breeding of sheep, mostly done in this particular state of our country. So in this country, in this states, the rearing and breeding of sheep they carried out. So what happened? They will take a group of sheep, or you can say flock of sheep or herd of sheep. The shepherds that they take to plain areas for grazing grass. So these animals, these sheep are mostly they are herbivorous. Those depends on leaves or dry. We can say dry leaves. Okay, they depends on mostly grass and leaves. Apart from this, also these animals, or we can say these sheep are also fed by a mixture of food, that is mixture of, we can say flour, we can say, otherwise we can write here mixture of pulses, or even they are fed on what? Mixture of jawar. Also they are mixture of fed on oil cake. Oil cake means what? It is a leftover material of after removing oil from the seed. That is known as oil cake. That is also used for feeding sheep. And also it is used, they also feed minerals. minerals. This is the food of the breeding of this sheep. Breeds of these sheep are fed on with mixture of pulses, java. Also we can say dry fodder. This dry fodder is fed when in the, especially in the winter season. This is they used to feed on this time during the rainy season. And this in winter season, they are kept. The sheep are kept indoor and fed on dry leaves, grass, or we can say dry fodder. Fodder means a food of the food which is used for the feeding of animals are known as fodder. Like all grains, we can say. Got it now? These are used for feeding this sheep. What happened after growing? You find they rear these animals for what? For obtaining fiber, for obtaining wool fiber. They obtain wool from this fiber. You'll find these sheep are covered with a thick coat of hair on their body. On their body with a very large quantity. So they, what happened? They cut off. They cut the hair, or we can say they cut the hair or fleece of this sheep. Their body is covered with a thick coat of hair or fleece on their body in a large quantity. These are removed with the help of some machines, or we can say with the help of some scissors. They remove. How these wools are removed from the body of an animal, we will study in processing of wool, that we will study in next video. Got it now? So as you all know, this is how we will find in our country, most of the part of our states, they rear this sheep for obtaining wool. These are naturally, it is often, these wools are used for making various fabrics, we can say, various fabrics. So what are these are made in different, we will study different state, what type of quality of wool we obtain from different type of sheep, different type of breed of animal. Also here, we already have discussed, these are done by using selective breeding. Selective breeding means the parents will be particularly breed on a sheep, particular sheep, which will often a soft and undercut hair, which is used for, widely used for various fabrics, for making various fabrics. So in this chapter also, while they are processing this wool in industries, mostly there is a anthrax bacteria. There is a anthrax bacteria, which is very dangerous. While processing this wool in an industry, what happens? This is anthrax bacteria. They may come in contact with people. These people may get a sotter. What disease? Sotter disease. Sotter disease they may get. There are chances of sotter disease. There is an anthrax bacteria in the body of a animal, or you can say sheep. When they are the fleece of the wool is often, the fleece of the sheep is often, during that time this anthrax bacteria may present, which may cause a disease called sotter diseases. So next we will study different name of some breed which are found in different states. Just I will listed down those sheep. Got it now? So name of breed, we'll write here name of breed. Next, then quality of wool. Here we will say state. In which state these are done? States. First one is Lohi. Where it is found? Name of the breed Lohi. The sheep name Lohi. Quality of it, good quality wool. Good quality of Where it is found? Rajasthan and Punjab. Rajasthan and Punjab. Then next we will find such as Rampur, Bushehr, They are found what? They are found, that is brown fleece. They are found in where? UP and Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh. Then next we will find 1, 2, 3. This is what? Rampur, Bushehr, Nali. What is called Nali? They are found where? Carpet wool. The quality of wool is carpet wool. They are used for carpet, for making carpet. They are found in where? Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. Then next, fourth one. That is what? Then Bakarwal. That is what? Bakarwal. That is used for making what? Shal, woolen shal, for woolen shawls. That is used for woolen shal in Jammu and Kashmir. Then next is, fifth one is, that is Marwari. What is that? Marwari. Marwari. What is meant? That one? That one is meant coarse wool. Where found? Gujarat. Where it is found? In Gujarat. Then sixth one. Last one is Patan Wadi. What is that? Osiri. What is it? Osiri is the that is found in Gujarat. These are the different name of the breed that is known as. This is different variety of breed of animal that is known as sheep. That is lohi. We can often good quality of wool. Where it is, you know which state these are rare or breeding is taking place? In Rajasthan and Punjab. The Rajasthan and Punjab, this lohi animals are rare and they often this good quality of wool. And also the Rampur Bushehr, the name of the breed is known as Rampur Bushehr. They often this brown fleece. Fleece means hair. What is now? Brown hair. Brown fleece, that is followed in UP and Himachal Pradesh. Then Nali. Next is Nali. That breed name is Nali. That is used for obtaining a carpet wool. That is followed in Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. And also next is Bakarwal. That is also often woolen shal for woolen shawls for in Jammu and Kashmir. Also there Marwari coarse wool, that is often in coarse wool. That good quality of wool is known as coarse wool, that is in Gujarat. Also last one is Patanwadi, that is often in Osiri, that is also often in where? Gujarat. So these are the different breed with different quality of wool are obtained in different states. So next we will study how this wool is processed. How this wool is processed to make a fabric. So how this wool is obtained from animal body. Got it now? So next video we will study. I hope you have completed chapter 1 workbook. If you are not getting any answer, please let me know, or also text me in WhatsApp any question you are having doubt. So I will help you out. Thank you.